friends, welcome to Technical Minds. A very pleasant day to everyone. Today I am going to show you two easy science experiments part 3. If this is your first video watching at my channel, make sure to click the red subscribe button so I can notify my experiments when I upload videos. So for the first experiment is going to be a pepper spreading experiment. To do this experiment, you need a plate, some fine pepper powder and one dishwash soap. So these are the required things to make this experiment. So let us move into our experiment right now. Now take a plate in your hand and pour some water into it. So I pour the water into the plate. Now take some fine pepper and sprinkle it on the surface of the water. Now I sprinkle the pepper into the water. Wait for a while until the pepper spreads everywhere. Now apply a bit of dishwash soap or liquid in your finger and touch it at the center of the plate and see what happens. Now I am touching. See? You can very well observe that the pepper in the center of the plate is moving towards the circumference of the plate. See how well it has moved into the circumference of the plate. This was my first experiment. After that, the second experiment. The second experiment is going to be the formation of snake bubbles. So to do this experiment, you need an empty bottle and a bowl, a rubber band and a small piece of cloth. So these are the required things to make this experiment. So the first step is to take an empty water bottle and cut it at the bottom of the bottle. See, now I cut the bottle. After that, you should take a small piece of cloth and cover it at the bottom of the bottle. And now take a rubber band and fix it properly. See, now I fixed it. Now take a bowl and fill it with the dishwash liquid. See, now I pour the dishwash liquid. Now I should want to remove the cloth of the table because when the dishwash liquid spilt on the cloth, it will be very nasty. Now I remove my tablecloth. Then take a bottle and remove the cap. Now dip the bottom at the surface of the dishwash liquid. Now I am dipping. Now after dipping, blow the bottle using your mouth. Now I am blowing. See? The bubbles are coming. Dip the bottle very well and blow now. See? These are my bubbles blown by the bottle. Now I am going to make it many more like this. See, I have now made the bubbles very big like a formation of snake. See, you can also make it much more bigger. So those are my 2 science experiments for today. So anyone can try this at home. And please make sure to like, share and subscribe to Technical Minds. And make sure to click the bell icon given below. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video. Until then, bye bye.